नमस्कार। बहुत बहुत स्वागत है संदीप चौधरी जी का, जो कि हमारे साथ जुड़ रहे हैं और जो हमारा पीएचडी का विषय है टीवी जर्नलिज्म इन द एज ऑफ स्मार्टफोन्स एन एनालिसिस विद रेफरेंस टू मोजो। एंड आई थिंक Sandeep Chaudhary ji is the best person who can give his inputs regarding to TV journalism, as he has spent more than 15 years, 20 years, I can say, in the TV news channels. He is a well-known anchor, TV journalist, and he is a very grounded person. And he is also aware about the latest technology, basically smartphone, which is used for the reporting purpose. So, sir, welcome and thanks a lot for your valuable time. I would like to ask the first question: what do you see the impact of smartphones on the TV journalism?
Impact of smartphones is the impact that a new instrument has in any journalism format, be it social media, be it broadcast journalism. The phones, because of the kind of cameras they have today and the recording equipment they have in the camera, so it's like, as you use the word mojo, mobile journalism, phone has become an important tool to propagate this new medium which is coming to being, which is called mobile journalism. And a lot of channels are using mobiles now rather than the heavy camera equipment that were being used earlier. And now one-man unit, he's a reporter, camera person, sound recordist, all rolled into one. So as a tool, mobiles are now an integral part of any sort of media, be it mobile, be it broadcast.
So what do you think that smartphone has also promoted the concept of citizen journalism in our country?
Absolutely. In fact, this was a concept that we started when I was a part of Network 18 and Rajdeep Sardesai was the editor-in-chief. This was way back in 2005, 2006. We started this concept of citizen journalists. And why not? Why shouldn't the voice of the common man, because TV or print media at one point in time was only pandering or catering to certain issues of a certain class. And even today, despite being a broadcast journalist myself, we have reporters in the cities. We have bureaus based out of, say, Chandigarh, Jaipur, Patna, Lucknow, Mumbai. We have super bureaus in Mumbai. But how many reporters, full-time reporters, do we have in the hinterland, in the villages, in the rural areas? We make do with what we call stringers. They are not full-time journalists. They are not your full-time employees. This is cutting across all channels and all the newspapers in the country today. We are just using them on a piecemeal basis. And once you don't have regular reporters in each nook and corner of the country, that is where the concept of citizen journalist comes into play. And that is one welcome thing that has happened in a decade and a half, that people are raising their voices in the social media, despite a lot of pitfalls and, you know, a lot of fake news being circulated on the social media and courtesy the WhatsApp university. But, and this is a big but, the access that a common man has and the way he can, put forward his views on the social media platforms has acted as a catalyst for the citizen journalists.
Right. So, what do you see the challenges of mobile journalism or Mojo in our country? Because there are not the most of the media.
The biggest challenge is, see, proliferation of media is a welcome thing.
Only few channels have adopted this concept, but still, what do you see the prospects and challenges?
No, there is a reason why very few people have adopted this, Because see, media proliferating, reaching to every nook and corner of the country is always a welcome step. If we are raising issues through citizen journalists, issues which never caught the eye of the mainstream media, it's obviously welcome. But then there is something called a Lakshman Rekha. Everybody becomes a journalist. They are not trained. You start fancying yourself as a journalist just because you have a smartphone in your hand and you can roam around and you say whatever you want to say and you expect the government to start responding to it. And the Lakshman Rekha, more often than not, is being crossed. Then there has to be. Journalism is a serious profession. There are journalistic ethics involved. There is the NBA or there is the Editors Guild. The government has given this immense responsibility to the journalist fraternity, which is deciding our own Lakshman Rekha. We have to self-regulate. Otherwise, the government and any government across the world would jump at the opportunity of trying to tame the media or trying to regulate the media. So if there are big pluses on the use of mobiles or the proliferation of the social media or people becoming citizen journalists, there are pitfalls also to this side of the story.
Right. So the next question arises the quality of visuals and bytes which are basically taken by the smartphones. And often it has been said by the TV reporters that the traditional camera is always better than this kind of the Mojo. So my next question is related to
Not
the
at all.
concept of news gathering. What do you see? What should we keep in mind if you are reporting any issue through your smartphone?
Today, the smartphones have a better technology, better cameras than the cameras that have been used in this country or in the world for a very long time. If you're talking about extra specialized cameras, which are being used to shoot documentaries or special programs, that's a different matter altogether. But the cameras that you use in your daily life as a journalist, today the smartphones, they have better cameras, better resolution compared to the cameras that we're using. So I think there's a foolhardy debate. There's no debate in this. A lot of channels, I can name the channel, NDTV has been using smartphones, 4K technology for years now. And there's absolutely no difference. In fact, their output or the video resolution is much better than the cameras being used by other channels. The cameras are 10 years old. They are of a bygone era.
Right. So we have discussed about the news gathering process through smartphones. Let's move ahead. What do you think that the production work? I mean, video editing. There are so many video editing apps are available nowadays. So, do you think कि smartphones can be used in the production purpose as well, and
They are being
presentation
used.
purpose?
They are being used.
Okay.